welcome back. As promised, obviously the last episode was the unveiling of the booster, so I hope everybody enjoyed that. Again, I appreciate all your feedback, all your comments, absolutely fantastic. We're now moving on. As I say, I will now start basically doing the ST. I've got a few jobs to do on that, but I wanted to give you a look at the project I've got coming up after the ST. The ST shouldn't take that long, probably 3 or 4 videos, just to get that how I want it and get the clutch needs replacing and a few other bits and pieces. But I'll move on to that just after this basically. So we'll start stripping the ST down. Z650. I picked this up probably a couple of years ago now. I'd actually looked at it for a while, wasn't too sure. It cost me a couple of £100 basically. It'd been sitting in a guy's backyard. He didn't want it, so £200, transit van, and basically it was mine. So this is it. The engine needs completely stripping down, which is going to be an interesting one for me. Not ever done this before. So it will be a full engine strip down. Cam chain needs to be replaced. I need to look at the bearings. As I say, everything in the moment it's loose in there. It's just rammed in, just so it's able to. But basically, everything is there. I say everything had been sprayed blue. I did have a look a while ago, taking it back. That's the original colour. You can see that. It's like a green. I think it's a candy emerald green. Will be the original colour. It's got the 4.2 seat. Fortunately, it's had something in it, so I'm hoping that will come back again, but I might go back to the original style seat. As I say, everything was painted blue, even the frame. I say because I did take everything out, basically rub down the frame, repainted it, but that was a long time ago. Swing arm's already been stripped. But I say 2 big boxes full of parts. It had the Harris 4:1. I'd like to go back to the original if I can find it. Original mudguard, again all been sprayed. The original tailpiece again sprayed. Whether I can save these parts I don't know and take them back to chrome. There is some rust coming through, some dents, so we'll have to have a look at that. If not, I'll be looking for a second-hand one in better condition. Again, disc, don't know if I can save it. Centre stand, that was all sprayed blue. I mean, to give you an idea, even the indicators were sprayed blue. I say it was literally everything was blue. But that is the project that will be coming up after the ST. So I've already started. I say I've sifted through a few bits. I've still got both of these boxes to sift through, see what's good, see what's bad, and basically start making a shopping list. The rims, unfortunately, and the spokes had it, so I've actually picked up that's a new rim. That rim I might be able to save. That's a spare that I managed to pick up on eBay. Primarily I need it for the hub. The rim and the spokes itself are shot, but the hub that I had on there was just rusted. So that one's a spare, so all them spokes have got to be cut out. As I say, I've already started speaking to Hagon. They've actually done me a good price. So I'm going to send all the parts up to them when they're all cleaned and ready and get them to put the wheels together for me. But that's just a little look at what's coming up. So next job is move this to one side, get the ST in.